Hey everybody, so tonight I did hammer build up, just got done. It was about 35 minutes. We did a lot of moves in 30 seconds, anywhere from like incline bench, incline flies, dips, tricep kickbacks, we did squats, we did push-ups, we did a lot of moves in 30-second increments. We did lunges, did military press with the ball, but we just did a lot. And just want to give you a tip. Like sometimes every day, you know, you feel like you don't want to work out and stuff and you're not motivated. Those are the days that you just need to dig deep in yourself and get your workout in, because those are the days that changes will be made and at times will be different. You just gotta keep on telling yourself all day long, if you're working out in the evening, you know, like sometimes I do, just gotta tell yourself you gotta get your workout in, you gotta get your workout on. It is important to get your workout in, you know, you just gotta keep on telling yourself that, and then you just gotta do it, you know, you gotta have that discipline to do it. If you're a morning workout, that's nice because you can get up and you can just get after it before anything during the day. But one tip is just keep in your mind that positive thought, like I'm gonna get my workout in, I gotta get my workout in. It's gonna be helpful to get it in, to have that change, you know, because the little amounts of work you put in each day will get the big results. But anyways, I hope that you had a great Monday, and we'll be back with you on Tuesday. So take care, God bless, love you guys. And if you haven't already, please just subscribe to my channel and take